Good morning, everyone. Right now, I'm in this beautiful city of Chittorgarh, and we have just reached. It's early morning right now, around 10:30 out here, and you can see our Indian national flag hoisted out here. This is another vlog, like any other vlogs that you've been seeing for the other few days. And I have been traveling, so I thought that I'll come down to Chittorgarh and then I'll be going to the Chittorgarh fort. So let's go out and we'll check out what can be the beautiful places we can see in Chittorgarh. So as much as I know, it is the Mewar fort. It was also known as like that. And the film Padmavat was mainly shot based on the story of Chittorgarh fort. So let's go and explore this place. Stay tuned for this kind of updates more. And meanwhile, let's go and explore Chittorgarh fort. I'll just leave you with this beautiful engine. And as you can see, I just arrived from Indore to Chittorgarh. Welcome once again back to my channel out here, and I'm right now in Chittorgarh. And you know, if I'm in Chittorgarh, I must be going to one of the very famous places of this area, that is the famous Chittorgarh fort. The train which I came in is just leaving from here, and I'll be leaving to the Chittorgarh fort. This vlog will be short and crisp of mainly Chittorgarh fort. I'll show you the place, how to go and how to visit the place and what are the places to see. Short and crisp video coming up. Please enjoy the video, and in case you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you will love my videos. Thank you so much. So finally we are right now in Chittorgarh fort. For your ticket information, it costs 40 rupees per person, and if you buy it online, which is a QR code there, I'll keep the link in the description. It costs 35 bucks, and auto approximately you get around for 500 to 600 rupees for the whole package trip, which they will take you for around 13 kilometers. You don't have a walk, and this is the first point. This place is called Vijay Stambh, and just look at the height of this particular place.
वो फोटो से चलना है। वो सेनापति की हवेली, वो सिर्फ जो पीछे पीछे का ढांचा है वो खड़ा हुआ, बाकी पूरा इधर से सब टूटा हुआ है, बस ये ढांचा खड़ा हुआ है।
This is the most famous water tank of Chittorgarh fort, and just enjoy the view from here. You can almost have a grand view of the whole Chittorgarh fort and the city from here.
ये साइड का कांच ऊपर तो कांच है, ये मेरे सामने वाला। अच्छा फोटो खींच के क्या इसमें खुद के जान दे दे।
This is the same place which in the film of Padmavat you will see that the fight is happening between Khilji and Raja Saab, played by Shahid Kapoor. So that when you see all the Khilji is coming with all his power, this is the same place which is used in CGI. And this is the wall of the fort. So guys, this was the trip of Chittorgarh fort, and we are done with it. The trip was indeed very beautiful, and I'll show you the exit route, the same place from where we went in. That's all for this. In case you like the content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends for a one-day trip to Chittorgarh. I'll see you in the next one. as of now, bye bye, thank you, take care.